hashtags and also relocate those hashtags in order for them to act accordingly. So it is for them to listen, to analyze, and act accordingly. Let's say the Philippine Red Cross, just a few weeks ago, they announced, I'm not sure if it's the Red Cross, but there were two unified hashtags which are Rescue PH and Relief PH. So using this, they can watch the feeds. And with those feeds, they can geolocate those. They can geolocate those tweets. If they don't know the address of that tweet, they can send in rescue groups there, and then, for example, they also want to add evacuation centers and maybe some relief centers, but that doesn't work in the back end. I'm sorry. The manpower is insufficient. Sorry. And for example, the Philippine National Police registers in my site. Let's say PNP. And they would like and they want to watch or deploy a unified hashtag called Hold Up. They create a hashtag Hold Up. For Twitter users, for Filipinos to report via Twitter hold up incidents around the Philippines. And then let's say they create a feed hold up. They want to monitor Manila.
Could you give me a little bit of the background stuff that you did? What's the frameworks? The frameworks are...
I use the backend is CodeIgniter and then an extension of CodeIgniter which I made last night. Yes.
What about the feeds and the Twitter APIs?
I use Twitter API. Extract it.
Yep, okay na. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Next group, please.
Next team is Q1.